Hello, this is Shep and Nick here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. In front of us today is a 1960 MGA. This one has been restored and been with the same owner since 1990. In 2006, 2007, did undergo a restoration. And then after the restoration was complete, he moved it up here to his retirement home in 08, 09, the title will say. But that is about the time frame of the restoration. 11, 12 years ago. It's been well kept, obviously garage kept. Summertime driven here in the Wood River Valley between Ketchum and Sun Valley mostly. A few trips down to Haley. The odometer was reset on restoration and it's shown about 2,900 miles from that restoration point. This one did not receive a full rotisserie restoration, which is really kind of an attribute to how well kept it was prior. The engine was pulled and resealed. We'll get into that when we lift the hood, but it was not rebuilt just because of the overall low miles and just lack of need for that. Really does run out strong well, idles well, just a good sounding engine. So most of the restoration was cosmetic. Everything on the exterior was either replaced or refinished, chrome, etc. I think there's a replaced body panel or two as well. So just gorgeous, excellent bodywork, finished in, of course, the quintessential British racing green. It does have the wire wheels, and they are true knockoffs on all four corners. Drums in the rear, discs up front. The original engine says a 1.5 liter, 14, I forget what it is, 1466 cc, but it's your inline four. So within that, glass was restored, windshield. You take a good look at this chrome up front. Just a clean car. Going down the sides, all your bright work, lights, lenses, etc. We'll show you the operation of those, but really ready to drive. Turn signals, lights, horn, you name it. The interior was also done as far as the restoration. New carpet, new vinyl, and that includes the whole, your side, your interior doors, as well as the carpet was redone. A new custom dash was installed, and when they were putting the gauges back in, the gauges were either recalibrated, replaced, or restored. And I think there's two things to note of that, where maybe they've lost calibration. Your speedometer is about 10 miles an hour off. So if you're doing 60, it shows 50, or the other way around actually. If you're going 50, it shows 60. It's fast 10 miles an hour, sorry about that. 4-speed manual, and then the gas gauge as well. Does come all the way up, takes some time, but it reads full at 3/4. But if you give it time, it'll move all the way up. But it'd be one of those cars, keep it between 3/4, which would be full, and about 1/4, and that'll keep you safe in there. So nice interior, new carpet is we showed, said interior's nice. The top is nice as well. And back here there is pull for the trunk, and on this side, pull for the hood. And over on the floor behind us, we do have our drop-in windows. And those are in good shape. You've got your toolkit, which we will pull out and take photos of. We'll leave it tucked in for now. but the trunk's finished. Again, nice bright work back here. No cracks on the lenses. No body issues. I don't see any orange peel, Bondo cracking, anything like that. Up on the passenger fender, I do see a little chip or a nick. And that's low right here. So that's a rock chip. So keep in mind that that's there. And I think that's about the only flaw we see. We'll start this up and have a listen and then show you the lights and go for a drive, but before it gets loud in here. Tidy engine bay, very original. Like I say, the engine was pulled for a reseal, but during the restoration, because of the low miles on the car, it just didn't need it then, doesn't need it now. The SU carbs. And this one's unfortunate. We've got a really good British mechanic that lives here in town. He's been the one that's been keeping this one up. We always have him look through all of our cars, our British cars that come in, and he's a great resource. But this one really is in excellent shape, thanks to the restoration and then just good ownership. Can you give that a little pop right there?
Yep.
It's a little too far away. You go right below it. There you go. There you go. Okay, we'll give it a start, look at lights, and then go for a cruise.
Alright. Got the fog lights, headlights, brights. Get the left blinker, the right blinker. Works very nicely.
Windshield wipers.
Oh, got the windshield wipers here. Get a good look at those. Everything's sorted really well. This works well. Brake lights. Brake lights. Yep, running lights. Right blinker, left blinker, turn signals work great. Horn works great. Sounds nice. Get the garage and go for a ride. Shep's got the shades on, he's looking good.
No exterior handles, which is a really sleek look, and
Yeah,
you've just
very
got
cool.
the pull cable for that. Suspension feels tight rolling through these little gutters and dips. Life in your hands. This road test brought to you by Nick's Life. Front brakes really smooth, no jerking of the wheel. Those front discs are nice to have. And then reverse is over and down.
A little quirky.
And that operates without issue. Just a good cruising car.
This thing's awesome.
So as we're rolling back into the barn here, if you've got questions or further interest, both Nick and I are available. I'm Shep. I can be reached at 201-721-1973.
Or feel free to reach out to Nick. My phone number is 563-676-8225. All right, thanks for watching.